You're watching Tap Tech, the channel where we break down the latest and greatest in tech with honest reviews so you know what's worth your time and money. If you want to stay ahead in the world of gadgets, cameras, and smart devices, make sure you stick around because today we're diving into a camera that's pushing the limits of action and creative filming. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 has officially arrived, and it's already generating a lot of buzz among creators, adventurers, and professionals. This isn't just a small upgrade over the previous Ace Pro. Insta360 has gone all out to redefine what an action camera can do, and the changes they've made really set it apart in a crowded market. The question is, does it live up to the hype, and is it worth investing in if you already have an Ace Pro or even other high-end cameras like a GoPro? Let's break it down step by step so you can decide for yourself. When it comes to specifications, the Ace Pro 2 is packing serious power. It features a larger 1-inch CMOS sensor developed in collaboration with Leica, which gives you stunning image quality even in low light conditions. It can shoot up to 8K video at 30 frames per second, and if you want smoother action, you can drop to 4K at 120 frames per second. For photos, it supports up to 48 megapixel stills with incredible dynamic range and color accuracy. HDR video has also been enhanced this year, giving better balance in high-contrast environments. On top of that, the camera uses AI-driven image processing to improve stabilization, noise reduction, and even subject tracking. Now, let's talk about design and build quality. At first glance, the Ace Pro 2 looks familiar, but closer inspection shows the refinements Insta360 has made. The body is still compact and rugged, built for harsh outdoor use, but the materials feel more premium and durable compared to its predecessor. It's waterproof up to 10 meters without a case, and if you add the dive housing, you can take it as deep as 60 meters. The buttons are tactile, the hinge on the flip screen feels stronger, and overall the build gives you confidence that this camera can handle both everyday use and extreme adventures. One of the most impressive parts of this camera is the display. The Ace Pro 2 features a 2.4-inch flip-up touchscreen that rotates fully to face forward, making it perfect for vlogging, selfies, or framing shots when mounted. The screen is brighter than the previous generation, making it easier to see in direct sunlight, and the touch response is very smooth. Navigation feels fluid, and the menus have been updated to be more user-friendly. Performance is where the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 really shines. The larger sensor, combined with the new AI algorithms, takes stabilization to a whole new level. Flow state stabilization has been upgraded, and now you can capture buttery-smooth footage even when running, biking, or skiing. Low-light performance is also dramatically improved, with less noise and better detail. Rolling shutter distortion is kept minimal, and the camera handles fast motion without warping. For creators, this means you can rely on the Ace Pro 2 for professional-level shots in almost any condition. Software and features have always been a big strength for Insta360, and this camera builds on that reputation. The companion app gives you access to powerful editing tools, including AI-based reframing that lets you easily convert your footage for different platforms like TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. The camera itself comes with voice control, gesture control, and now supports more advanced subject tracking thanks to the upgraded AI chip. One standout new feature is the AI warp effect, which lets you create unique visual styles in camera without heavy editing. There's also seamless integration with live streaming platforms, so you can broadcast directly from the camera in up to 4K. Battery life is another area where Insta360 has made progress. The Ace Pro 2 comes with a 1,700 mAh battery, which gives you about 2.5 hours of continuous shooting in 4K. That's an improvement over the previous model, and with fast charging, you can get up to 80% battery in just 20 minutes. For longer sessions, you can swap batteries easily, and the camera's efficiency means you'll spend more time recording and less time worrying about power. For those who use their cameras for gaming content, creative projects, or professional filmmaking, the Ace Pro 2 delivers flexibility. It supports log video profiles for color grading, has higher bitrate recording, and even offers wired and wireless webcam modes for streaming or video calls. Creators will appreciate the external microphone support, which allows for higher quality audio capture when paired with professional gear. Speaking of audio, the built-in microphones on the Ace Pro 2 have been improved as well. The camera uses a 3-mic setup with advanced wind reduction algorithms, which deliver clearer voice capture even in noisy or windy environments. While it's not going to replace a dedicated external mic for professional projects, it's more than good enough for casual vlogs, travel, and adventure content. Connectivity is another strength. The Ace Pro 2 supports Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and USB-C with faster transfer speeds. That means you can quickly offload footage to your phone or computer without waiting around. The camera also supports wireless preview on your phone, making it easy to frame shots remotely. When it comes to price and value, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 positions itself as a premium option in the action camera market. It's more expensive than mid-range models, but considering the larger sensor, 8K capability, advanced AI features, and rugged design, it's a strong value proposition for serious creators. If you're looking for casual action shots, you might find cheaper options that get the job done, but if you want professional-level footage in a compact body, the Ace Pro 2 makes a strong case. Of course, no device is perfect, so let's talk about pros and cons. On the positive side, you get stunning 8K video, excellent stabilization, great low-light performance, a rugged design, and powerful AI features that simplify editing and enhance creativity. The flip screen is versatile, the microphones are improved, and battery life is solid. On the downside, a higher price may put it out of reach for some. The files in 8K are large and require powerful devices to edit smoothly, and while the stabilization is excellent, extreme action shots can still push it to its limits. In the end, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is an impressive evolution of the Ace Pro line. It's not just an incremental update but a camera that pushes boundaries and gives creators more tools to tell their stories. Whether you're a traveler, a sports enthusiast, a filmmaker, or just someone who loves capturing moments, this device has the flexibility to meet your needs. It's a premium camera, no doubt, but one that justifies its price with innovation and performance. Thanks for watching Tap Tech, where we bring you the most authentic reviews to help you make the right choice. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to see more in-depth looks at the latest tech, don't forget to subscribe and join us again for the next review.